Here's a really stout group of Angus Heifers. Obviously, a handful of really cool baldies in the offering as well. These ladies are near Elgin, Nebraska. The cattle have been in a really terrible drought, and so the rancher actually put them in a feed yard right now, in a high roughage feed ration. The cows were AI to the proven Cavanese Angus bull Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam at the all calf the third week of March. Obviously, you can look up. I'll put the Hoover Dam's link within this email of these cattle. But he's a 72-pound birth weight bull. He's proven Cavanese. There's tons of data out how this bull performs on heifers. So he's Cavanese, but also have great carcass data as well. And not to mention the females, all these heifers should make great cows. I would say the heifers probably weigh 12 and a half to 1,300 pounds. So they're strapping stout heifers. After they're all AI to Hoover Dam, they're cleaned up with Reese Angus bulls. The Reese Angus bulls. A powerful group of around 125, 150 Angus heifers. Again, AI to the proven Cavanese bull Hoover Dam. The ladies are in Elgin, Nebraska. Have a great day.